Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, please consider subscribing, and in case you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So guys, as you can see, this is potatoes zimechemshwa, watu imechemshwa, and yeah, so you see kuna hii, and tumeka turmeric and salt. Now we want to put them, tunataka kuzifry, tunataka kuzidip kwa mafuta. So technically we are making roasted potatoes. So yeah, let's do this. And remember to subscribe and hit that subscribe and put your notification bell on, like, share. Thank you so much for everyone that comes back, and thank you for 3,000 subscribers. I love you guys. Akiyo kuku inachoma. Hii ni sawa tu.
I think it's dawned on me that you ain't coming back. I've lost my chance to see us find our way back. And in the end, amidst these trying times, I'll always try to find you. I'll lie to you to find the truth that you hold back. So stay with me. You know that I'll follow. I can't breathe. Together we'll fall apart. Stay here right in my arms, and we'll start again. So stay with me. Together we'll fall apart. Dramatically talk to me, and it's so funny, you're all I wanted, and I can't talk, want you out of my life, so say none. I'll wait for days if you ain't one, I'll just say none. So stay with me, you know that I'll follow. I can't breathe, together we'll fall apart. Stay here right in my arms, we'll start again. So stay with me. Together we'll fall apart. Together we'll fall apart. Stay here right in my arms, and we'll start again. So stay with me. Together we'll fall apart.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out.
I'm finally done. I'll switch on. So guys, remember to subscribe, watch, like, share. Thank you so much for always coming back. Yeah, you can eat this with anything. It's like a snack. Thank you. See you on my next one. Peace.
All of you bitches is fool. If you the op, you gon' be singing the blues. Feeling like Bishop and Juice. Word to my dude, this Jimmy Choo on my shoes. All of my tracks, this is a fact, this is no cap.